Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at the member app area on your dashboard. It's one of the most exciting features that you will make available for your members. So let's get started. Let's click on the top right corner of the screen on the menu icon and click on Member App. Here, you can upload your logo and you can input the colors of your brand. If you're unsure of what the hex codes are of the colors of your brand, don't worry about it. Our team can help you with that. You can choose which events to show in the app. For example, if you only have group classes, you can turn that on and keep everything else off. Similarly, if you have all types of events, you can turn on all of the event types, and you can also upload an image for each of these banners. Please make sure that any of the images that you upload are JPEGs. In the event details, you can show past classes. You can display the trainer name, facility name, and display level. And for those of you that are selling store items and using our news function, you can turn these functions on as well. Just make sure to click on Save. Once you're ready for your app to be live on the Glofox Universal app, please contact one of your customer success manager, and they will make sure that it appears on the Glofox app. For those of you who are on the Platinum Plus standalone app package, please ensure that you're in contact with your customer success manager to make sure that you're taking all the steps necessary to ensure that we can publish the mobile app. See you on one of the next videos.